In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask ChatGPT to plan your next trip in seconds. Whether you're dreaming of a beach escape or a city adventure, let me guide you through the simple steps to leverage this AI tool for seamless trip planning. To begin, open up your trusted web browser and head straight to Google. This is our starting point to access the phenomenal trip planning assistance provided by ChatGPT. Once you're there, take a deep breath and let's type something simple to get the process rolling. Enter ChatGPT into the search bar. Hit the Enter key, and just like that, you're on your way. Now you'll see a list of search results. As exciting as it is to explore these, what we're really looking for is the official ChatGPT website. It's usually at the top or near the top of the search results. Go ahead and click on that link to enter the world of AI-powered insights. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, get ready to prompt this intelligent system. This is where the virtual magic happens. You might be wondering what exactly to type in the prompt box. Well, think about the type of trip you want to take. Is it a weekend getaway or maybe something more exotic? Compose your question or request for trip ideas in that space. You could write something like, plan a week-long itinerary for Paris, or be more specific with your needs. After you've formed your personalized prompt, look for the submission section, where you'll click to send your prompt off into the digital universe. It's a bit like launching a message in a bottle, with the assurance it'll land with the smart and capable ChatGPT. Once you click Submit, take a moment to let the AI process and compile the perfect travel itinerary just for you. As the AI generates its recommendations, enjoy the anticipation of what's to come. Soon, you'll have a comprehensive, tailor-made trip plan with insightful suggestions, from must-see attractions to hidden gems delivered right to your screen. Now all that's left is to review the suggestions and get ready for your journey. With that, you are all set to enjoy a well-planned, stress-free vacation. Planning a trip with ChatGPT is as easy as that. With just these few steps, you can turn your travel dreams into itineraries you actually live out. So go ahead, explore new horizons, and save time doing it. Thanks for watching, and remember to embrace the adventure ahead.